gosh! Oh my gosh! Storm! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Storm! Oh, Minnesota storm! Minnesota storm! Minnesota storm! In my area. Oh my god! Oh man!
High pressures moving in, and if we can even take a look, I'll take a look at dew points for you and show you what kind of environment these storms are in, because we do have plenty of humidity still right along in Fargo Moorhead, right along Fergus Falls, those dew points in the 60s, but notice in Downs Lake, we're seeing drier air moving in, so the threat will really be diminishing in the Devil's Lake Basin, even as we speak and even as we go through the next few hours. But of course, our main concern now is for our friends in northern
tornado warning!
If you do have a tornado potentially on the ground, trees would likely obscure anything on the ground at this point. Of course, with those trees, like we're talking about, those winds, taking those trees out and felling them and putting them onto people's property. Onto people, heaven forbid, onto somebody. A tree could fall on somebody. We have so much damaging wind moving through such a tree area. As we go through fall and winter, we're seeing the potential of wind with this as well. In addition to that potential of those damaging winds, we can see what the stats are. Yeah, expecting upwards of nickel-sized hail as well. So perhaps not necessarily devastating hail, but still with winds around 60 to 70 miles per hour, nickel-sized hail can become dangerous very, very quickly. Very good.
Well, thank you for the update there on the southern storms we're watching quickly. And in fact, we'll remind you, Eric Whitehill is on a storm that had a lowering base and a lowering, rotating wall cloud on it.
Oh my god!
And Eric continues to keep his eyes on that storm as it works its way through. And I don't know if you can hear me or if we can hear him, but if you can give a report on that, he's been noticing that we've got lowering.
Oh my god! Holy crap! Oh my gosh. It's getting darker out here. Wait, what is that? It just looks like a funnel, but it's not. Right there. Wait, it's starting to rain a bit. Oh, there's dark. Wow, it got dark. Wow, lightning. Oh, better get in. Oh my gosh.
Rolling out ahead of the storm, and they get a lot of features from this. But again, we're watching it for gusty straight line wind potential with it as it punches its way in. And then, as Nathan was talking, along these gust front edges, we can get these brief spin-ups of tornadoes. Now, they're not weak. So you saw in that field, if that was just in a populated area, the mess that we would have with that type of a situation. So we're watching things very closely. I have good news to pass along with regard to the radar threat here. First and foremost, in Fargo, the storm is pushing in right now. That we have dark skies to the north and to the west, pushing right to the studios now, and it's going to continue off into Moorhead, and it's moving off to the east at about 30 miles per hour.